O'clock, were Florida insurance companies lying when they claimed they were losing money in the wake of several hurricanes?
That's what an internal analysis by the Office of Insurance Regulation from 2022 indicates. Thank you for watching Wink News at 6. I'm Lois Tomey.
I'm Chris Safadi. That report was never made public, and state lawmakers never even saw it. Wink News anchor Claire Galt has been digging into the study, though. She joins us live.
And Claire, how did the report come to light?
Lois, the Tampa Bay Times made a public records request, and they finally got an answer after a 2-year wait. According to their review of the study, Florida insurance companies lost millions from Hurricanes Irma and Michael during 2017 and 2019. But at the same time, their executives were siphoning billions to investors and affiliate companies. Here's the thing, as you said, lawmakers never even got that study. State Senator Jonathan Martin told me that's a big problem.
Again, we're board members for the state of Florida. Our job is to write policy, and we need to make sure that we have all the information in front of us while we're writing policy. Nobody would ever serve on a board for any company and not look at the financials. So it's malpractice for us to legislate without looking at the financials. So I think it's detrimental to our job and our constituents and what we were called to do and what we swore an oath to do.
Now, Martin said here at home, we are in the middle of this fight because of higher rates and cancellations.
My insurance rates have gone up. My neighbor's insurance rates have gone up. My friend's insurance rates have gone up. My family's insurance rates have gone up. The people who live in this district need insurance. We live in a coastal community, and I need to make sure that if their insurance rates go up, they're getting something for it. That it's not just going to a bunch of people who are crying poor, and then at the same time sliding some money over to a different pocket and not being poor.
So I asked Martin what should be done to prevent this in the future.
I think we need to hold everyone's feet to the fire who's involved, who's first of all dragged their feet, or secondly who's hidden information from us. Again, we're the policymakers. We can't make policy unless we have all the information, and if somebody's hiding that information or misconstruing that information, they need to be held accountable and answer those questions.
Martin suggested the Attorney General look into it. I reached out this afternoon. In the meantime, Wink News asked the Office of Insurance Regulation, who did that study, about the internal analysis. We received a statement saying in part, quote, "The report does not clearly show where the capital was spent or concludes that all the monies were profit. The report does say additional oversight was needed." As for the reason state lawmakers never saw that study, OIR says it was simply a draft and never finalized. We asked why. We'll let you know when we get that answer. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Claire.